Namaste students, today's our topic is nature and extent of the right of maintenance under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. Maintenance of wife. Section 18 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 deals with the maintenance and separate residence of wife. Number 1. A Hindu wife, whether married before or after the commencement of this act, shall be entitled to be maintained by her husband during her lifetime. Second, a Hindu wife shall be entitled to live separately from her husband without forfeiting her claim to maintenance. If he is guilty of desertion, if has treated her with such cruelty as to cause a reasonable apprehension in her mind that will be harmful or injurious to live with her husband, if he is suffering from a violent form of leprosy, if he has any other wife living, if he keeps a concubine in the same house in which his wife is living, or habitually resides with a concubine elsewhere, if he has says to be a Hindu by conversion to another religion, if there is any other cause justifying living separately. A Hindu wife shall not be entitled to separate residence and maintenance from her husband if she is unchaste or to be a Hindu by conversion to another religion. Interim maintenance in Purushottam Mahakud versus Srimati Annapurna Mahakud, Supreme Court held that the right to claim interim maintenance in a suit is a substantive right under Section 18 of the Act, since no form is prescribed to enforce the said right. Civil code in exercise or its inherent power can grant interim maintenance. Maintenance pendant like after considering the status of the husband, the wife should be awarded maintenance pendently like even though there is no separate provision in the act for grant of maintenance pendant like. The obligation to maintain the wife remains of the husband on the husband even though the wife might be living separately. Maintenance to wife. Widow has no charge on separate property of husband. Neither Section 18 is relating to maintenance of wife nor Section 21 dealing with widow provides for any charge for maintenance on separate property of husband. Right to separate residence. The wife has been living alone and all the children had been brought up by her without any assistance and help from the husband, and there was a clear case of desertion. The wife was entitled to where she had been living in concern with the purchasers of the house, and the police inflicted a deep wound on her amounting to cruelty. The wife was entitled to live separately and claim maintenance. The claim for maintenance by a wife can also be sustained under Clause G even on a ground covered by one or other clauses, that is Clause A to F of Section 18 subclause 2, substantially but not fully, merely because the wife fails to strictly prove the specific ground urged by her. She can't be denied relief. Maintenance of widow daughter-in-law. Section 9 of the Hindu Adoption Maintenance Act provides that a widow daughter-in-law is entitled to be maintained by her father-in-law. Section 19 runs as follows. A Hindu wife, whether married before or after the commencement of this act, shall be entitled to be maintained after the death of her husband by her father-in-law, provided and to the extent that she is unable to maintain herself out of her own earnings of the other property. Rajkishore Mishra versus Meena Mishra, it was held that were from the estate of the parents